First shut down and power off, then open the back door. Use an Allen wrench to remove the screws. After removal, the cup holder can be moved to the right. It can be taken out when it reaches the gap. When the bracket is removed, first check if there is a gasket in this position. If not, it will need to be installed with gasket. First, remove the 4 screws with the Allen wrench. After remove, the slider can be taken off. Then add a spacer between the slider and the cup holder and fix 4 screws. First place the bracket in this direction, then install the L-shaped spacer on the bracket. The other side doesn't need to be installed yet. Use the screws and Phillips screwdriver to fix the spacer. After locking, the bracket can be installed back. When installing it back, it is still through the gap. Then put the pulley in the track. Then move it to the right and close to the push row. Use screws to fix the slider and push rod. Later, take the remaining part back to the machine front. Before installing, remove the cooling baffle. Then use the cross screw to fix the L-shaped spacer. Tighten the screws in first by hand. Finally, use a Phillips screwdriver to fix it. After fixing, put the cooling baffle back.